Today I'm going to share with you a very easy way of making Kanafa. If you're a Gulf person, you will definitely know what is this. So we'll begin by making the sugar syrup. Here I have taken about 3 tablespoons of sugar and I'm going to add a little bit of water just for the sugar to dissolve. We'll keep this on low flame, adding a pinch of cardamom powder and let it cook at a slow temperature. In another vessel, I'm going to take vermicelli, thin ones, very thin ones, and just add butter. Now it's optional, you can add soft butter like this, or y'all can even add melted butter. After that, simply I'm going to mix in the butter with the vermicelli, simultaneously crushing the vermicelli into smaller bits. So this will take a little while. Be patient, but the end result is going to be too good. Now here I'm going to do batch by batch. You can do it all at one stretch. It is as per what makes you comfortable. I will start by spreading this vermicelli on a greased pan in this way. Once it is spread well, see that it's in all corners around the area and all, it's spread properly. In another bowl or a cup, you're going to take milk. If you don't have fresh milk, use powder milk. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar and then add warm water. Now since this is powder milk, I have taken warm water and I'm just going to whisk it in this way. Whisking it in this way will avoid lump formation while I pour the milk. That's it. Now I'm going to add a spoon or two of cream cheese to the milk, 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence, and then I'm going to add corn flour. 2 tablespoons of corn flour is more than enough. Once this is done, we are just going to stir it around. Meanwhile, our sugar syrup is ready. We can remove it off the heat and start cooking the mixture that we had formed with milk. So in this I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. This is totally optional, but I feel the Kanafa effect turns out really good when you add mozzarella cheese. So all I'm going to do is keeping the pan on medium heat mode. I'll keep stirring. Now if you see the cheese that is getting melted inside this mixture is getting stuck to that whisk. So this will happen till the mixture actually thickens up. So we will wait for it to thicken up. Do not increase the flame because it is on a medium process we are doing. It will take some time, and the cheese is also mixed now. Can you see it is thickened up? So once you have got a thick paste like mixture like this, what I have, we are ready to pour it. So before pouring, I will add my sugar syrup on that layer which I had formed using vermicelli. Now I am adding sugar syrup, but this is optional. You can do it later as well. On top of that comes the mixture that I had prepared with milk and cheese here and corn flour. So that's it. Pour it all out. And then again I will add a little more of mozzarella cheese. Now this is again optional, up to you, your choice, because since we'll be heating up, it will give you that melted cheesy kind of thing as a layer. Now I'll form another layer using the vermicelli with butter. that I had mixed. Okay, spread it all around. Do not push in too hard, otherwise it might just go down the batter. Once we have spread the vermicelli mixture all over that batter and it's covered, then it is time to put our pan on low heat. This is a very good way of making kanafa without using an oven. So here I am almost through layering the vermicelli on top of that batter that I had made. And then let's keep it on slow flame. You're not going to keep it on high nor medium, just slow. Now everything over here is quite cooked. The vermicelli was pre-roasted, so no problem, everything is cooked. We just need that crispiness to come so that we get that crispy as well as sweet taste. Here I'm again pouring the sugar syrup on top. This is your choice, totally optional. Keep it for 10 minutes and then flip the pan over to another. Now if you notice that it did slip, I have not cut off that portion because this can happen to you as well. So I am going to show you what you can do if this happens to you as well. You will simply have to get everything together and spread the vermicelli layer again. That's it, not much of work. And then if you have pista or almonds, you can just scrape it in this way on top of the kanafa, and that's it. Your kanafa is cooked and ready on both sides. Leave it for some time in the pan, 5 to 10 minutes on low flame, both the sides. And this is how it looks from the top view. So see, we are going to try our kanafa now. So I will just cut off that piece in this way. Well, in India, I have heard them calling it as kunafa, so it's both the same thing. So basically this is how it looks. This is hot. Wait for it to cool down, it would taste much better. So friends, do let me know how did you all like this kanafa recipe, and for more do not forget to subscribe.